Ella and we built an AI-powered app called FreshPal. Did you know that approximately one-third of all food produced globally for human consumption is lost or wasted annually? Even more surprising, this wasted food could potentially feed all the hungry people in the world. When it comes to food waste, the challenge is enormous. Consumers often struggle to manage their food inventory effectively, leading to items expiring and being thrown away unnecessarily. This creates not only an environmental issue but also preserves food insecurity. Research indicates that reducing food waste could significantly impact the environmental sustainability. Additionally, about 690 million people worldwide face hunger or malnutrition, while 1.3 billion tons of food are wasted annually. The need to combat food waste is urgent and crucial for a sustainable future. Introducing our AI-powered solution, FreshPal. Using cutting-edge image recognition technology, FreshPal analyzes food items and suggests recipes based on what's available, minimizing waste and encouraging creative use of ingredients. Interrogation of 5 principles of AI. Perception. FreshPal employs image recognition to perceive and analyze food items in user inventory, representation, and reasoning. Our AI model interprets food items and suggests recipes based on their characteristics and expiration dates. Machine learning. FreshPal supervised learning trains the model to provide accurate recipe suggestions and minimize food waste. Human AI interaction. Users engage with FreshPal to manage their inventory and receive recipe recommendations, empowering them to reduce waste. Social impact. Imagine a world where every ingredient is valued and waste is minimized. FreshPal fosters a community-driven approach to combating food waste, promoting sustainability and resourcefulness. AI ethics. Respecting privacy. FreshPal solely focuses on food recognition and waste reduction, ensuring user privacy by not collecting any personal data. Equity and fairness. Our AI solution treats all types of food equally, offering suggestions without bias or discrimination. Our conclusion. Food waste isn't just a statistic, it's a stark reality threatening our planet's future. Each hostile act of discarded will not only contribute to environmental degradation, but widens the gap in global food accessibility. Our society can no longer afford the luxury of waste when millions are left hungry. The AI-powered FreshPal isn't merely an app, it's a beacon of hope in this dire scenario. It represents a fundamental shift in how we live by harnessing the power of technology and the principles of AI. We have an opportunity to rewrite the narrative, transforming waste into possibility, scarcity into abundance, and fostering a sustainable future for generations. This is our AI-powered app, FreshPal. This app we used Meet App Inventor to design the app. We made sure that the app presents our video, ingredients, and the measure. We made our machine learning project to recognize images of different types of food by capturing the images of that type of food. We use this API key called the MealDB to get the video and the ingredients we use for the app. This is how the API DB looks like. We first of all got the instructions, the YouTube video, and the ingredients that we needed. And this is how the app looks. Take a picture of any food I want to use, but me, I'm going to use a picture of frozen chicken. The image dictator will show the example of the food and what it does.
Now we're going to take a picture of beans.